Hey y'all, it's Ron. I'm coming to you from down here near Kingston, Tennessee. I brought my e-bike down today to have a ride. I want to talk to you just for a minute about my YouTube channels, okay? And what I wanted to let you know is this, okay? This video is out on my photography channel, and sometimes your creative juices run wild. And I didn't want to post a lot of different things on my photography channel. I wanted to keep it pure, okay? Try to keep it pure photography or photography related and camping related. So I had a retirement channel and I kind of revamped that a little bit. And I'm not really into talking about retirement stuff, okay? There's a lot of other YouTubers out there that do, but not me. But anyways, what I thought was, is I changed the name of that channel to All Things Ron. And when I get done, I'm gonna put a link to all those channels in my description of this video. So if you wanna go subscribe to one of those other ones and keep up with the shenanigans that are going on over there. So All Things Ron is going to be my catch-all channel. I'll have my e-bike rides on there. You know, I don't know, just a bunch of different things. Might go through the saga, what I'm going through with my parents, some, you know, some personal stuff, and maybe a little bit of retirement topics on there. But for the most part, it's just going to be about Ron, okay? What I want to put on there, you know, everything that I would not want on my photography channel, it's going to go over there. And then I was putting my drone videos on the photography channel. Well, I've changed that, okay? I created a drone channel all by itself, and that's all it's gonna be. It's gonna be about drone flights, drone training, just drone related, strictly drone related, okay? And it's called Tennessee Drone. And there'll be a link in the description of the video. If you wanna go and subscribe to that one, feel free to do that. Anyway, I just wanted to kind of let you know what my thoughts are. You know, if you agree with me or you disagree with me, okay? I know there'll probably be both. There's a big old ant right there. Leave me a comment, okay? And I try to get to all my comments, okay? And I will, all right? Just depends on how lengthy your comment is. It may take me a while to get to them, but I will get to your comment, okay? So listen, I want to thank y'all for being a loyal follower, okay, of me. And I really appreciate it more than you know. And I need a drink of water. Anyways, I'm gonna get off here. Thanks a lot. We'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.